There's a war brewing between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's all about the zoom camera. Now we're hearing more details about Samsung's telephoto upgrade along with an even better display. Let's start with the camera. You may have heard that Apple is finally going to offer a periscope zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which would give that handset a 6x optical zoom. That's a major boost versus the current 3x zoom for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But Samsung isn't sitting still on the camera front. According to leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is getting a new 3x 50-megapixel sensor, which would accompany the existing 10x zoom camera. The previous Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera, so this would be a major resolution upgrade. In fact, Ice Universe says that this new sensor would allow the Galaxy S24 Ultra to deliver good 5x zoom image quality. Notably, the Google Pixel 7 Pro offers a 48-megapixel 5x telephoto zoom camera, so Samsung could be playing some catch-up here. The Pixel 8 Pro is tipped to feature a similar zoom setup. The more mysterious tidbit from Ice Universe is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will finally get an upgraded screen. But heck does that mean? Well, we've heard from one source that Samsung may decide to increase the refresh rate on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 144 Hz. That would be a nice jump from the current 120 Hz and presumably make those shopping for the best gaming phones very happy. Another report in Korean publication Chosun points to the Galaxy S24 series getting M13 OLED displays. The new M13 OLED display material is tipped to be thinner and higher quality than existing panels. Interestingly, the iPhone 16 is rumored to be using the same display technology. There's no denying that an iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra battle would be the one to watch out for in the future, especially given how they'll closely stack up against one another. Stay tuned for all the latest rumors and leaks regarding S24 Ultra. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.